Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your premier destination for high-end home decor and interior design inspirations that transform your living space. In this special presentation, we are exploring 12 breathtaking tablescapes inspired by the ethereal beauty of Renaissance frescoes to elevate your Easter celebration. Prepare to be transported to a world of opulent fine dining, where classical art meets modern elegance in every detail. If you find these designs inspiring, please remember to comment your favorite, like the video, share it with fellow decor enthusiasts, and subscribe. This design draws its soul from the vibrant yet dusty pastels found in Michelangelo's crowning achievement. Sky blue linens serve as a celestial backdrop for terracotta charger plates and hand-painted porcelain featuring delicate cherubs. Golden candelabras add a touch of divine light, mimicking the architectural framing of a grand cathedral vault. Every element is carefully curated to evoke a sense of spiritual wonder and timeless artistry at your Easter brunch. Inspired by the soft, romantic hues of Raphael's Madonnas, this tablescape features lush layers of blush pink and sage green. Silk runners meander across the wood like garden paths, punctuated by crystal glassware that catches the morning sun. Centerpieces consist of overflowing peonies and ranunculus, reminiscent of the botanical details found in Italian courtyard frescoes. The atmosphere is one of serene grace, perfect for a sophisticated and intimate holiday gathering with loved ones. Capture the allegorical magic of the primavera, with a table overflowing with symbolic fruits and wild woodland flowers. Moss-covered runners and dark wood textures provide a grounded, earthly contrast to shimmering silver cutlery and iridescent accents. Hand-painted menus feature laurel wreaths and citrus motifs, paying homage to the rebirth and fertility celebrated in Renaissance masterpieces. This setting invites your guests to partake in a feast that is both a visual and culinary tribute to the season. Influenced by the bold pigments of Titian and Veronese, this setting utilizes deep lapis lazuli blues and rich crimson textiles. Heavy brocade napkins are secured with ornate brass rings, reflecting the grandeur of a Venetian palace dining hall. Intricate glassware with gold-flecked rims stands alongside bowls of pomegranates and grapes for a truly regal aesthetic. It is a bold statement of opulence that honors the dramatic lighting and saturated colors of the late Renaissance. Warm earthy tones of sienna, umber, and burnt orange recreate the sun-drenched walls of a rustic Italian villa fresco. Weathered stone vessels hold dried wheat and olive branches, bridging the gap between classical antiquity and rural charm. Cream-colored ceramic plates with scalloped edges add a soft, feminine touch to the rugged textures of the table. This concept celebrates the harvest and the heritage of the Mediterranean landscape in a refined, elevated way. This minimalist interpretation focuses on the mathematical precision and golden ratios found in Leonardo's sketches and murals. Crisp white linens provide a clean slate for structured arrangements of calla lilies and architectural silver centerpieces. Monochromatic gray tones and subtle marble accents reflect the sophisticated sfumato technique used to create depth and mystery. It is a cerebral and modern take on Renaissance ideals, ideal for those who appreciate understated luxury and balance. Pay tribute to the patrons of the arts with a tablescape drenched in deep forest greens and shimmering malachite patterns. Velvet chair cushions and heavy drapes frame a table set with emerald-tinted crystal and dark pewter chargers. Golden egg ornaments are nestled in nests of boxwood, symbolizing both the Easter holiday and the enduring legacy of Italian nobility. This setting exudes a sense of historical power and lush, unapologetic wealth that will leave guests in awe. Delicate gold leaf accents and tempera-inspired flat colors define this angelic and light-filled dining arrangement. Soft lavender and pale gold textiles mimic the robes of celestial figures found in early Renaissance monastic frescoes. Slender white tapers burn in minimalist holders, creating a soft glow that highlights the fine details of bone china. It is a tranquil and meditative space designed to inspire conversation and reflection during your Easter feast. Drawing from the transition into the Baroque, this concept utilizes heavy chiaroscuro effects with deep shadows and brilliant highlights. Black velvet runners provide a dramatic stage for bright white floral arrangements and polished gold accents. Ornate, oversized candelabras create a sense of movement and theatricality, echoing the grand ceiling paintings of the era. This is a high-impact design for those who want their Easter dinner to feel like a momentous occasion. This look is inspired by the intricate stonework and inlaid marble designs found in Florentine chapels and palaces. Geometric placemats in soft turquoise and coral mimic the complex patterns of semi-precious stone mosaics. Simple modern glassware ensures the focus remains on the intricate patterns and the colorful fresh spring menu. It offers a unique texture-driven experience that feels both ancient and remarkably contemporary at the same time. Step into a landscape fresco where nature and architecture live in perfect, idealized harmony. Woven wicker chargers and linen napkins in oat and pebble tones create a soft, organic foundation for the meal. Small ceramic birds and nests are tucked among eucalyptus garlands to bring the outdoors into your fine dining environment. This peaceful setting celebrates the renewal of life and the beauty of the natural world through a classical lens. Our final concept is a masterclass in luxury, utilizing floor-to-ceiling gold accents and ornate ivory carvings. Intricate lace overlays cover silk tablecloths, while heavy crystal decanters serve as the sparkling focal points of the room. Every plate is a work of art, featuring hand-gilded rims and classical motifs that echo the splendor of the High Renaissance. We hope these ideas inspire your own holiday decor. Please comment your favorite, like, share and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more design magic.